Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Alhambra local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move can be tricky. You will have tons of boxes and heavy furniture to haul, and your valuables need to arrive in one piece. Our movers will handle your long-distance moving needs. We use special protective packaging to make sure your belongings arrive safely, and we have large trucks with plenty of room to move your things out of state or internationally. Your new home or office is only a few miles away. You'll still be close to the place you have called home for the last while, be able to keep the same job, and maybe won't even have to find a new school for the kids. What's the catch? A local move can feel like you're moving to the other side of the world. Simplify your moving day by getting help from our movers at 3 Movers. In just one day, you'll be packed and unpacked. Our Alhambra moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.